Up front, please, please, up front, please, up front, please, up front. Defense is up front. Take the old keeper, take the old keeper. Come little back from good old keeper. Good old keeper. Okay, wait. Let the people come. Let the people come. Come little back, guys. Come little back. Let them come. Okay. One more time. Okay, upstairs. Wait. Just wait. One more time upstairs. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Upstairs. Fucking big damage. Big damage. Come back now. Demons. Demon. Full defensive between us. Full defensive between us. Full defensive between us. Please damage. Full defensive. He's Piatos. He's AI. Hi. Okay, come back, guys. Come back if you are low. Please come back if you are low. Yeah. Let the healer heal you. Okay, let the healer heal you. Okay. Just chill. Okay, just chill. Let them. We are same farming, no, guys. So please don't do too much. Okay. Don't die. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do one more engage inside, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2. Demon. Full defensive on us. We are, don't die, okay? Don't die. Keep turning in the southeast. Come little behind southeast, okay? Come little behind. Don't be staying on the near side, okay? Luna or like another, this Gucci guy is gonna come and kill you, okay? Just chill, okay? Our healers doesn't have mana, this thing, okay? So please don't, healer, regenerate your mana, okay? Just chill. It's fine. Oh, actually, we need one OP, no? People, go in the southeast, we need to cap a little. Follow the ground, we're gonna be staying a little bit up, okay? Luna is over there, guys, don't go too much inside, this is a different zone. This is a yellow zone, they're just gonna kill you if you're gonna come in between them. Wait, he's on the boost, this is one guy, bicycle guy, one more time. How the fuck he's just coming? He didn't die in the next one. Go inside the OP, come inside the OP, guys, come inside the OP. Try to come inside the OP. He's the people. Keep hitting the people. Okay, now try to stabilize. He's on full damage on him. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage between us. He should be dead. Okay, stay over here. Okay, wait. Leave the OP from northwest, people. Evil God, please stop them. Northwest lead. Northwest. Slow them down, D-tanks. My D-tanks, slow them down, okay? Go northwest and then north, okay? Stay over here. We're gonna go inside the OP, okay? Be ready. We're gonna go inside the OP in 3 seconds, okay? 3 seconds. Come inside the OP now. Engage in the ease action. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me. Drop damage. Okay, keep going in the northwest. Northwest come now. Don't go inside of them now. They have juicy guys. Luna gonna come. After this, north come, guys. North come, guys. North. Where is the fucking northeast? You're going in the west direction. North. Okay, full damage on the Luna between us, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Luna. Drop damage on Luna. Demon on us. Defense is on us. Okay, we're gonna go in the southwest now. West now. D-tank, try to stop them as much as you can. Please come in the west. Keep hitting the people. Come in the west, guys. Come in the southwest. Come southwest. Keep pushing. Here's the people. Push them, it's fine. Heal to people. Keep hitting. Demon. Wow, okay, keep coming west. It's just letting us to wrap around us. Take the heals first. Our healer is not dead yet. So wait over here now. He's to me, please. He's to me.
Use AH.
Yeah, just wait. Come on me. Follow me. Guys. Fucking follow me. Hello. She's on the blue. Block. Okay, we're gonna go in the north. Come north. Get in the north direction. Northwest direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After this. Oh, yeah. They're in the north. Okay, they're in the north. Full damage on the north. Okay, be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me. Drop damage on me. Drop damage on me. Kill this one shot. Kill this. It should be one shot. It should be one shot. It should be one shot. DPS, you're fucking too much away, man, from me. He's not Lulu. She's one hand miss, man. He's just doing a hero thing. Okay, come back now. Come back, guys. Come back. Come back. Back come. Just follow your color. Please follow your color. Please follow your color. Okay. Follow your color. Okay? Come on. There's 2 people in the use icon, okay? Follow your color. He's up front. He's up front. Wait over there, okay? Wait over here. Okay, guys, follow the ground, please. Follow the ground now. Come in the north. Engage on the north in 5, 4, 3, 2. North direction. Drop defense is on us now. Come, try to come in the south. Try to come in the south. Luna is between us, okay? Demon, be ready. Try to come in the south, guys. Try to come in the south, please. Yep, good. Okay, now keep coming on me. Yeah, Q's and W's on the Luna. Try to catch her. Fine. Heal the people. Good. Catch the Luna. Fine. She doesn't have anything. Catch the Luna. Catch her. Okay, good. Now come back. Back. Southeast. Walk with me. We're gonna wrap around them. We're gonna do the same thing to them. Farming. How much points you get, guys? I mean, don't tell me you die too much.
A lot.
Nah. It's not. Just
I got... Oh shit. It's not a lot at all.
Yeah.
2k I guess.
What the
2k,
fuck?
1k. Yeah. Too small.
Okay, dismount over here. Now fame farm over here. Oh, they're dismounted over there, guys. Come on me. Okay, D-tank.
I want to go offensive.
Engage on them. Yeah, offensive go. Engage on them in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me. Now come back. Demon up front. And keep coming. Good heals. Our road keeper is not here, so it's fine. I just stay over here. Stop engage on with me, okay? Okay, let's go deep.
Okay, yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage. Okay, demon now. We might die. Use the potions also. Potion, demon. Come back. Sigmar, Demetrius, don't die. Tell this thing. Come, we need to help Ravels. Come on me, fast. Take your force if you need it. Fast, dismount over here. We're gonna engage on them. Be ready upstairs, okay? Be ready. Come, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Upstairs now. Oh, fucking hell. Drop damage on me. Good. Come back now. Come back. Get back them and run southwest. Back and southwest. He's up front. Back and southwest. And stay over here only. Back and southwest. Don't be in the southeast side, okay? Stay over here with me. With me. Yep. With me. Come. He's on the people. Fucking Gucci. Red color. I guess red color is enough. Yeah. Red color. Good, okay? He's for the people. Okay, we're gonna go one more time in this on them, okay? In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me. Oh, fucking hell, drop damage on me. Sorry, I got stunned a little bit. Come back, guys. Come back and in the...
Oh shit, Luna is here.
Oh, come back. Back. We don't really have this thing. Back.
She's in OP.
Stay over here. Oh, fucking hell, for this taking me apart. Okay, follow me.
Rick.
Engage in the neutralization in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage with me. Fucking good damage. Come back. Pawns are not really good. But that's decent.
Oh shit, Diane.
Who died?
Us of a party too.
Oh, bruh.
Yeah. Luna
Fucking
is
Indian.
here.
Who is saying that? Racist guy. What OP 4 happened? Okay, we're gonna go deep. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh man. There's no one, man. I can't see anyone. Come back. You go too deep, man. Back on. Man, we're gonna die, mate. No, we're not dying. Oh, what the fuck they're doing, man? It's just keep going on. Mount up, guys. No, mount up. Mount up. OP1, OP4. Oh yeah, good. Boss is not just here. Shall this keep us?
They dismounted inside.
Just come inside. Be ready to engage on them in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me. Change on us. Boss also got damage. You're fast to boss. Where is the fucking boss?
Oh, it's ours.
Oh yeah, good. Oh. Take this OP. Let's go northwest now. Fucking hell, we are. Man. Take this whole zone or what?
Luna is here, OP1.
What? Oh yeah.
Luna is in OP1.
OP1. OP1 come, guys. Oh man, it's getting hard, man. Actually, we need to.
We can do this.
Oh man. Royals is having fun over there and we are like fucking doing this shit.
Don't worry, I'm calling my alliance.
You tell your alliance to free the limbers, man.
Oh, they're marked lock, by the way.
Luna dead? Oh, Luna dead. Oh, what the fuck? Your alliance is not.
Make it more challenging, you know?
Man, his fucking voice is
Yo,
scary as
chill.
fuck. Hey, come on the main gate. Oh man, like that's really bad, man. This scroll. Oh guys, please heal yourself, man. Guys, come on me, please come on me. Come on the ground. Come on me, guys, come on me. Stay over.
Oh, Luna is here.
Luna is there, where? Between us.
Uphill.
Up,
Northwest.
yeah, wait. Stay. When Luna gonna come between us, we're just gonna do full damage on her. Okay, upstairs, okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, damage on us. Full defensive up front now. Demon, come back now. Come back. अरे भाई चुप ना यार. गंदा आवाज बोलो जोर से. Come in the southeast. Come in the southeast. Come on the ground. Come in the area. They're fucking pushing. Come. We're gonna go one more time, okay? 5 seconds. Wait. Okay. Go inside, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2.
Fuck it, I love being offensive deep down.
Yo, demon, Tougher need heals. They shouldn't be dying. Come back, boys, come back. अरे चुप ना. Yo, D-Tank, what you doing? Absorbing damage or what? Come back.
I'll be offensive D-Tank from now on.
Yo, Zeol. Dr. Mickey, where are you? Okay, fucking standing in middle. Oh, okay, people, be ready. We're gonna go one more time, deep. It's fine. In 5, 4, 3. Oh man, I don't have matter med. 1, drop damage on me, just drop damage on me. Come back. Demon. Luna is between us. Come back. Okay, can anyone give me natural mate doing this? Okay, when I'm gonna say 5, give me natural mate. Okay?
Okay.
Yo, you getting me fucking. Okay, guys, ready? Okay, wait. Okay, we're gonna go engage, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's already dead, man. He just. Oh yeah, demon.
Oh, Luna is southwest.
Between us. Run. Fast. Now someone else is tapping. Good. We have fun. Oh man, Yagi is dying, man.
Yay.
Yagi, what is here? Oh man, keep yourself. Here, come back, guys, come back. Yagi, how many times, guys? One and what map? They in Black Moon Party. Having fun.
So much fun.
Oh, yo, come in. I just opened my map up for a second. Okay, engage on them, okay? Heal yourself, guys, first. Okay, engage upstairs in 5, 4, 3. Oh man, give me night helmet in the engage. Come back, guys, bus, come. Yo,
Oh, I cannot hold them much longer.
Yeah, come. What you need, I know. Come, D-tank, healer, DPS, anything.
Night
Come on
helmet.
me. Yeah, night helmet. Give me hunter shoe swap. I don't have hunter shoe. Okay, wait over here.
I'm ready.
Okay, we're gonna engage on them, okay? 5, 4, 3.
West.
Damn it. Come back, demon, come back, run. Oh, there's one, northeast. Push, northeast. Good. Now catch this with gone. It should be good, you know? Season W is more easy. Okay, we go upstairs, okay? We don't know go up. Wait. Give me night helmet on the engage, guys, okay? Piatos, where you? What the fuck you doing? Piatos? Come back, heal. Take the heal. We're good. Wait now. Okay, upstairs, one more time. D-tanks up front, okay? We're gonna engage on them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, I got tired. Season W is between us. The damage doing us here. Come back. Defense is behind you. Demon. Come back. Sigmar gonna die. Come back. Yeah, good. Zeal, you're doing good. The stop is good.
Heal, please.
Let's go over here. Oh, come back, guys, a little bit. Come back in the south. Guys, come with you. Yeah. Wait over here only, okay? Wait over here. Then engage one more time. You won't fucking inside of it. Okay? Use your oath keeper on the engage, okay? We go full big, okay? Okay, we're gonna go inside, okay? In 5, 4. Demon, I told you guys to give me night helmet. We bedrock.
Oh,
Come back.
so sad.
You got cut at adrenaline?
We got clustered.
Okay, this is last standing, okay? Anyone died, you actually died, okay? So remember, we're gonna get D flag. This is last standing. Okay? Let's go. He's the people, he's to Zeal. Come back a little. Don't die, okay? No, don't die. We're just gonna do this last few until we die, okay? Last time. Okay? We're ready to engage on them, okay? Shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2,
West again.
1. Drop damage on me. Come back. Defensive up front. You need to defend. We're gonna die. Defensive up front. Need heals up front. You need heals up front. Good now. Come back. Back up. Don't stay too much long, okay? If you die, my thigh is going down. Wait over here now. Good bridge watch, motherfucker. Use like single guy and just keep random. What the fuck is this thing, man? He is 6,200 HP. Is that even possible? Oh, come back, guys. Back come. You staying over there? I don't know what you want to do. Wait over here. Okay. Wait. Come back a little, guys. Let them come. Oh, yo, man. Fucking here. Your Tron is here. The Tron is here. Let the Royals be over there. Wait. Just wait. Okay, we're gonna go inside. Wait. Dimitri. Okay, Mickey. Okay, engage upstairs. Okay, be ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Come back now, demon. Full defense up front. I'm dying. Come back. Luna is between us, full heals to people. Where is Luna? Dimi says that you deflagged. Come back. I just knew, yeah, you guys actually got deflagged. Come back. Don't take it easy, guys. You guys just gonna get deflagged, okay? Come back. Back on me, okay? Royals are up front, okay? Yeah, you got cut, I know. Why are you going to be? Wait now. Okay, we're gonna engage on them, okay? 5, 4, wait. 3, 2, 1, engage on shallow. Okay, good now. Come back. Don't stand too much. Come back. He's up front. Please to the people. He's up front. Dr. Mikey, come back. He's gonna deflag. Yeah. Chill now. Don't die, okay, guys. He's just gonna deflag. Don't die now. Don't go to the front. Oh God. Don't go inside. Wait. Fucking hell. This creatures are over there. Back come. Eagle not heal. Okay, he's to him. Okay, we're gonna do one more engage. Okay, let them come a little. Oh yeah, wait over here behind him. Wait behind. Okay, upstairs. Okay, we're gonna engage. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, damage on me. Come back now. Fast, come back. Defense to your front. Please defense to your front. Come back now. Sigma, deal up. Come back, please. Just finish it. Please, Sigma died, man.
Oh, we did not get deflag. We are
Not
in
yet.
Crocker Hill. Those who died. Yeah.
And now come for Crocodile then.
Yeah, we're going. Fuck.
Okay, come back. Oh, you're not getting defense? What the fuck?
Yeah. We still have OP in Crocker Hill.
No, it's like if you like do this, you actually gonna get defense. Okay, back come by.
This
You're
is too
fucker.
far away.
Back behind the caller, okay? Okay, engage on them upstairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop them. Kill them. Come back now, fast. This one so much now. Come back. Demon pop. Out keeper, demons. Out keeper. Stop on my engage, okay? When actually we're gonna be between the engage, middle of the engage. So actually we disengage fast, okay? Don't use on the engage. Dr. Mikey need heals, please heal the people up front, Good. Stay over here, okay? Come back a little. One more time we're gonna do engage, okay? Be ready. Upstairs, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me. You got better cover. Now come back. Demon now. We got here, demon now. Come back. Okay, Zeol, please come back. Zeol, evil god, Bill, please come back. Okay, come little in the south is more. Let's have fun. Okay, don't just die. Okay, don't just die. Okay, one more time engage upstairs. Okay, just wait. Oh, keep on above the people between us. Okay, upstairs one more time. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me now. Guys. Come back now, guys. You are too far. Actually, we need to come little deep. Demon now. He's up front, please. They're gonna die. They're gonna die. He's up front. Piatos might die. Don't die. Piatos is fine. Okay, come back now. Stabilize over here. Okay? Stabilize over here. Okay? That's good. Full heals for people. We still have full heals for healers to be staying over here. Usually. Yeah, come back. We're gonna upstairs in 5, 4, 3. No. I got G. Come back. Sorry. Come back. Defensor up front, please. Defensor up front. Yo, guys, come over to me. Oh man, guys, anyone don't have night helmet. Healers use a night helmet if you have, please. Okay, on me. I need this thing. I got G actually, so I can't really do anything. But yeah, come back. Okay, we're gonna do one more time. We're gonna go inside one more time. Give me night helmet. Okay, please give me night helmet. We're gonna go inside. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me. Deep. Come back now. I might die. Come back. Come back. Night helmet on the engage. All the people use a night helmet. Okay? If you know, like anyone don't have night helmet. Yeah, Jokotaro, you have not helmet, no? Just wait. Do you have when you have okay. When you have not helmet, tell me Come back a little. Okay. Okay, be with me, okay? Okay, we can engage upstairs, okay? In 5,
You're engaging.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Shallow.
Upstairs now. Drop damage on me. Drop damage on me, guys. Drop damage. Come back now. Come back. You all need you. You all come back.
Luna is inside you guys.
Oh, demon. Not actually done, actually. Okay, he's the people now. Wait. Wait now. Come little behind a little. Wait, he's on the blue. Back. Demon now front. He defends up front. Touch up front. Engage on them. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage. Just drop damage. Okay, come back. Jokotaro, please be with me and cleanse and come back a little and give the people Luna's gonna come between us. Please spread. Please on the blue is one guy. Want to do Rappler died now. Wait over here now. We had one more engage, okay? Okay. We're gonna go deep, okay? Be ready. Give me not helmet now. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me now. Come back now. Demon. Come. Luna gonna come. Didn't expect to stop them. Keep coming back. Don't stand. Defensive up front. Use our forces now. Wait, come back. How much points you got? No, man, it's actually not really good. But yeah, we just kill you. Okay, we're gonna do one more engage, okay? So give me night helmet now. Oh, fuck. Okay, night helmet now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this. Drop damage over here. Come back now. Demon be ready now. Come back guys. Now. Don't stand. Doctor wants to fucking much. Where are you?
Ooh, I'm gonna die. Ooh, I survived.
Yeah. Okay. You look on Zoom, okay? Lucaris need is Sicilian. Don't let them push you guys, okay? Okay, engage upstairs, okay? One more time, okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Okay. Okay, come back. Come back. Okay, he's kills people. Stay over here, don't run, okay? Stay over here and heal the people. Stay over here, they can might do. Yo guys, don't go in the don't get the west. Don't go in the west. Yes. Don't go in the west. Okay, upstairs, engage, be ready. Heal the people first, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop damage on me, please. Come back now. We can't really stop here. Okay, keep coming back. Use the people. Okay, they are full died now. We are so easy. Damage, I guess. Wait over. Back a little. South is back a little. Back a little. Engage on them in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Drop damage on me. Just drop damage on me. Kill the people between us. You have it. Okay, please come back a little. Just stay over there. D-time, please take on you. Please stay between us. What is that doing? Please on everything. Okay, look upstairs now. In 5, wait. In 5, 4. I can please. Wait now. Wait over here. Please spread. Heal yourself. Okay. Please stay with me, guys. You have not helmet. Luna is here. Okay, just wait. Okay, engage on them. Okay, be ready. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, engage on them in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage on me, engage on me, engage. Hey, he's up front, he's up front. They just, he clenched on the people, clenched on the people. Clenched on the people, come back now, come back in the southeast, come in the southeast, come in the southeast, come in the southeast, come in the southeast. Let them all come on the show, let them come on the show. Hey, we are slowly losing our people.
I get no mana.
Okay, we're gonna do one more engage upstairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Upstairs now, guys. Upstairs, no damage. Upstairs, come back now, come back now, come back now. Demon now. He's up front, Fine, it's fine, right? Your last standing is fine. If you're dying, you can leave now. It's fine. But wait. Come. Whoever is here, we're just gonna farm a little bit more now. Okay, engage upstairs in 5, 4, 3, oh wait, 2, 1, if you come back, then come back after this. Demon now. Getting started now. Come back, guys, don't die. Wait over here. Come in the southeast more, let them come inside actually. Wait now. Okay, easy, got that. Okay, let's go inside in 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh man, I fucking got you. Come back, sorry. Back. You need to look on the GA. Come back, guys. Guys, come back. My people, please come back, don't die, okay? Don't die. And always, man, I getting weird. Okay, please stay a little behind of me, it's fine. Please stay a little behind of me. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna say when engage, okay. Engage on me, okay? He's on me. Engage on me in 5, 4, 3. Oh man, I always getting defensive, please. Defensive on us. Good GA. Okay, you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, drop damage on me. Good. Come back. He's on me. He's up and. Man, I died. Yeah, we are. Okay, spread an hour back, guys. Thanks for the comment.
Thank you guys.
Oh, that guy is talking good GA. That guy is in good GA. GG. Thanks for coming. Oh, fucking hell.